Hello friends, welcome to another new video of Malnad Automotive Koppa. This gypsy belongs to one of our customer. This gypsy has visited our automotive for a slight of modification works like snorkel, power steering and much more. So I'll show you the walk around video of the gypsy before restoration work. Do watch the video till the end to know the end result of how we build the vehicles. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if anyone is interested in buying gypsy or want to do any of the modification or restoration work, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. It's given below. And don't forget to follow us on all the social media platforms. So as you see this gypsy, there was only road rims and off-road tires extra added on it. So basically we have to rebuild the whole suspension setup so that they get a better off-roading experience. So customer wants to add off-road bumpers, snorkel and rock sliders on it. This is a 2011 model gypsy which we have restored recently. It's in the process, but yeah, if anyone is interested in buying gypsy, do contact us. So this is the end result of how we have built this gypsy. So have a look on it. If anyone is interested in buying gypsy, please do contact us, as our WhatsApp number is given below. You can ask me any queries if you want.